make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really good day today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit of a different type of video, and I filmed one of these a few years ago and I thought, you know what, it's time to redo it. Let's recreate it. So I'm basically going to be sharing with you all of the LUSH products that I just do not like. I can't stand the smell of it. I don't like what it does to my skin or my body or anything like that. These are the products I basically despise. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do let me know down below all the products that you don't like from LUSH, because you don't have to like everything. So let me know down below all the products you don't like, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I actually went on the LUSH website and I found it quite difficult to find all the products I don't like, simply because they actually discontinued quite a lot of them. So I had to sort of re-go through kind of the whole website and dig down all those products that I just completely forgot about because I just don't like them. So the first product that I'm going to be sharing with you is actually the Turtle Jelly Bomb. Now firstly, the jelly bombs in general I don't like at all. I feel like if you're of the ages from like 3 to, I don't know, you might like jelly baths, I don't know, but like it's just not for me. I feel like it's fun, it's interesting, but you can't relax in the bath with the jelly bits just like getting all up in your grill, and like it's just gross. It's just not for me. And also the smell of the turtle one, it just smells gross. Like it just smells like a garden and like dirt and leaves, and I'm really not a fan of the fragrance. It looks really cute, like it looks like a little turtle obviously, but like the whole smell and the jelly part, I just can't get on board with it. I just don't like it, and I don't know how much it is. Let me just check. £5. No. Just no thank you. Next. So the next product is actually a product that LUSH have basically had for a really long time. It was there the entire time I worked there, and I started working there back in 2013, I want to say, and that is the Tea Tree Toner Tabs. Now for me, I just don't get it. Like when I worked there as well, they've gone up by 50p. They were £1 before, but I just don't see the point in it, if you know what I mean. Like you're supposed to put it in a bowl of water, put your head over it, but like I haven't got time for that. It's just not for me, and it's very claustrophobic, and I just feel like it just doesn't really do anything for my skin. That's just me personally. Like it might be one of your holy grail products, and I'm not trying to offend anyone with any of these, by the way, but for me it just seems like a complete waste of time and a waste of money. I would rather buy 2 Freddos for that, thank you very much. Next up is a face mask. Now I am a LUSH face mask advocate. I love LUSH face masks a lot, and there's a lot of them I do like. Cup of Coffee and Mask of Mag are my 2 faves because you don't have to keep them in the fridge and they last for longer than 3 weeks. But one face mask in particular, which is actually quite a popular one, I don't like, and that is Cupcake. Now to me, Cupcake has that really fake chocolate smell, and I just can't get on board with it. Like the scent of it just makes me feel sick. I don't like it. It probably does wonders for the skin, but I'm not putting it anywhere near my nose because it just smells really gross, and I just don't like it. A lot of the time, especially when I worked there, I tell people not to worry about the smell. It's all about what it does to the skin. But that one, I just can't get on board with it, so not a fan. That and Cosmetic Warrior, no thank you. I've also just noticed that the fresh face masks have gone up to £9. That's mad. That's ridiculous. They used to be £6.50. Next up, moving on to a facial cleanser. I have mentioned this cleanser many a time because I don't like it, and that is the Aqua Marina facial cleanser. Not only does this look like fish, it smells like fish. It smells gross. It smells like seaweed and the ocean, and it looks like smushed up salmon in a little pot, and I just can't. No. I have known people to love this product though, so don't get me wrong, it's probably a very nice product, but there is no way you are getting that on my face. Like it just smells like you're getting a bit of sushi and you're just like rubbing it all in your face, and I'm just not about that. I just really don't like it. So yeah, Aqua Marina, it's a no from me, thank you very much. Next up isn't a specific product, it's more of a general thing, and for me it has to be Solid conditioners. Now I get it, if you're gonna go traveling, I probably would buy one because it's kind of a better option, and don't get me wrong, it is great for the environment, I'm all about that, but it just doesn't do enough for my hair. Like, obviously I've got extensions in at the moment, but my hair is up to here, right? So it's short, it's bleached, it's quite, you know, it needs to be looked after. It's naturally curly too, so it's quite dry, and I feel like the solid conditioners just don't do enough for me. I don't find there's really any Lush conditioner that is like my holy grail like conditioner, because I need butter. Like, I need a thick, like rich conditioner on my head. So for me, it just doesn't do it for me. It's just not really kind of got it going on. So yeah, solid conditioners just aren't my fave. They have reformulated them though, and I haven't tried the reformulated version, so let me know if you've tried them, let me know if they're good. But yeah, I'm just really not feeling that, so not for me. The next product is something which I mentioned in my last video, and that is the Tio deodorant. Now, not only does this smell kind of like weird potpourri grandma house smell, no offence Nan, but it just doesn't smell good, and it also has a rough like powder like texture, and you're supposed to just like take the bar and just like rub it under your armpits, and I'm not about that. It doesn't do anything for me. It smells weird. I just really can't get on board with it, and it's messy too. I just don't like it. Now the other one, what was the other one called? The other conditioner, deodorant, do you know which one I'm on about? It's the little white one that you can like have chunks. Oh, what is it? I'm just gonna have to look now. Aroma is alright. I don't really like the smell, but it's more of a creamy texture. Like, it kind of acts like a roll-on, and it kind of makes sense, but the Tio deodorant is just not good. I don't like it. Like, props to you if you like it. Let me know down below, but I just can't get on board with it, and I just don't like it, so not for me that one, no thank you. Next up is a product which I did see on the website, but I know that it's not a product anymore, I don't think, and that is the Sunblock sun cream block thing. I just couldn't do it. It was too oily. Like, it was so buttery and oily, it just didn't feel nice. I just didn't like the texture of it at all. It probably worked for some people as well, but I know a lot of people that took it on holiday and burnt to a crisp, so it just doesn't work abroad, I don't think. I think for like the UK, and if you're like quite fair skinned, you know, it probably would do some good using it, but for me it was just too oily, and I like to use a factor 30 and a factor 15 on holiday, you know, like I like to use a higher factor, but just, yeah, didn't like the texture. It was just too greasy, and it was just too much faff, like, because you're supposed to use this in the shower, then the sun cream, then the powder, and I don't have time for that. I just want to go and swim in the swimming pool and just quickly put some sun cream on. So yeah, just not really my favourite, that one. Next up again is another product kind of as a whole rather than a specific fragrance of one, and that is actually the solid shower gels. Now, it's not the fact that they don't work, because they lather up really lovely. The whole idea is really, really great, but I just think for what you're getting, they're quite expensive compared to like a bottle of shower gel. I believe the small bottles of shower gel and the medium shower gel and maybe the things are very similar in price. So I just feel like a lot of people are going to go for the liquid ones because they're the same price, but you get more use out of it because it's not constantly getting wet and things like that. I just feel like the solids don't last very long. Also, since they released the solids, they've actually cut them in half. They used to be one whole like piece of soap, like a circle. However, now they've basically cut them in half, so I don't know whether you're getting less product or what, but that is something that they've done, which I think is a bit strange, and yeah, it's just not for me. I think if you're going to go on, again, if you're going to go on holiday, and you're going to go on like a 2-week holiday and you don't want to take shower gel, then a great idea, fantastic, but it's probably going to run out within 2 weeks, whereas a medium bottle of shower gel for me would last over a month and a half to 2 months maybe. So it is definitely like more of a money saving thing rather than like the actual product, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I just feel like they're quite expensive for what they are, if you know what I mean. Next up is a bubble bar. Now we've had this bubble bar in our stores for many years. Again, it was in the stores when I worked there back in 2013, and I think it came out quite a few years before that, and I just can't get on board with it. I can't get on board with the smell. The smell just is really just not my fragrance, and I know a lot of people that like it, but it just wasn't up my street. And that is the Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds bubble bar. Now this is a classic. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm one of those people. The scent is just too much for me. It just smells like dirt and garden, and like if you're gonna go into the woods and it's been raining, it kind of smells like that. Like, it's a bit weird. I don't know, I just really don't like the smell. It smells like a herby garden. So anyway, I can describe it, but let me know if you know what I mean. I just really can't get on board with the smell, so that one is not for me. And these used to be £4.50. Let's see how much they are now. Wow, £5.95. Okay, so they've gone up in price too. So yeah, they are quite expensive. And last but definitely not least for this video, I absolutely just don't understand these products. Like, the whole idea, great idea. The fragrances, great fragrance, but the actual like process of using one, I just don't like it. And that is the shower bombs. I just don't get it. Like, you're supposed to just hold it in your hand and like use it to wash with, but then I'm like, is that not just like a foamy soap? Like, I don't know, I don't get it. I think for children, like, it's a really great idea, and like some people like them, but for me, I just don't really find them like that great. They're nice, the idea is cool, but are they worth the money? I mean, how much are they now? £2.75 each, and you have to use them like one per shower. So if you think about how much a bottle of shower gel is, like, do you know what I mean? It just doesn't make any sense to me. So yeah, shower bombs aren't my favourite either. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below all the products from LUSH that you don't like, because I'd love to have a little chat with you in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!